Welcome to the Tenaris Summer Student Program. Embark on a journey of growth and development as you become part of an incredible team. Our program is designed to empower driven individuals, offering a platform to excel in your field. Engage in immersive projects guided by seasoned mentors who are leaders in their respective areas. Gain practical experience and sharpen your skills, positioning yourself for a successful future. Our internship acts as a stepping stone towards a potential future career with Tenaris. Completing your education opens doors to our 2-year global trainee program, where you can further develop your skills and possibly grow into a full-time role at Tenaris. Our summer student program fosters an inclusive and supportive environment where you can thrive both personally and professionally while collaborating with a diverse community of colleagues. Through hands-on experience in a dynamic industrial setting, you'll gain valuable connections and insights that extend beyond the summer.